Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today we're making radish and pork rib soup. Without further ado, let's get started. First, slice the ginger to add a warm flavor to the soup. Then, cut the white radish into irregular chunks, which not only looks appealing, but also helps the radish absorb the soup's flavors better during simmering. Next, add an appropriate amount of water to a pot and place the pork ribs and a little cooking wine in it. Once the ribs are cooked, remove them from the pot. This step helps to remove any unpleasant odors from the ribs. Then, add fresh water to the pot again, along with the ginger slices and pork ribs. Add the white radish as well. Cover the pot and let it simmer, allowing the flavors of all the ingredients to meld together. After simmering for a while, add 2 teaspoons of salt to season the soup. Sprinkle with ground pepper and stir well to enhance the unique flavor. Finally, sprinkle with chopped green onions before serving. This not only adds a pop of color to the soup, but also brings a refreshing taste to the dish. And there you have it, a delicious pork, rib, and radish soup. Friends, you must try our radish and pork rib soup. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.